Why?
Hey,
Saw you on the news. Still pulling people out of burning wreckage, huh?
old habits.
You look terrible.
Thanks.
Why did you call me Jack?
I was hoping that you'd heard that maybe we could go to the funeral.
Why would I go to the funeral?
I've been flying a lot.
What?
That golden pass that they gave us, I've been using it. Every Friday night I fly from LA to Tokyo or Singapore or Sydney. And then I get off and I have a drink and then I fly home.
Why? 'Cause I wanted to crash, Kate.
I don't care about anything else. I'm bored. Every little bump we hit on turbulence. I mean, I actually close my eyes and I pray that I can get back.
This is not gonna change.
No, I'm sick of flying. Made a mistake.
I have to go. He's gonna be wondering where I am.
We're not supposed to leave.
Yes, we were. Goodbye, Jack.
We have to go back, Kate. We have to go back. The stars.
Lost.